Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabondo mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori iriya bantabatinu bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo elekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chebiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Kipi kinachokusababisha ukose imani na mimi?
Hivyo vitendo vyako.
Kwa hiyo ndio maana umeamua kunificha kama mkeo anaumwa.
Unasemaje? Nilichokuambia nimemaanisha.
Mimi ninachotaka ni kupona kwa mdogo wangu na si vinginevyo. Kwa hiyo shemeji, tekeleza ulichoambiwa.
Shemeji, yaani mimi kuongeza mke wa pili ndio tiba ili mke wangu aweze kupona? Sasa hii ni dawa au ni mashariki? Mimi sikutaki kukuoa wewe kwa sababu ya kufanya mapenzi. Lengo la mimi kukuoa wewe ili kumponya mke wangu ambaye ni mgonjwa.
Una uhakika ukinioa mke wako atapona? Na asipopona je?
Omurigereri werire buyandon cia sore urigeretie TV ya Gatembe emagoroba iga ya rero ritukeriga ria 2021 gose 21 cio mutinyo kianda omu mwaka bwa 2025 kene kionga chinsebera senchira ayobo ikiranu cyane ngoro ku Haron Ototo Nyaingiri na nigo tochi kugenda guseto ngo kunyore tu mwancho murigereri ritukoria rero neriko riege ikaro senchira bene eso gukonyara kwa toko rigereria amange regenta kwa nika chisema awo na mono igoro ya semelia siasa tochi kubwatana na samiyenda na boigo hirkia buga sego cyo mwelio huwa amangana mayo sekionga chinsa ibere. Kuruansemo yimanyiririo nigoto kubwateranera Wilson Makoli na mwancho mu rigereri ase omoyiga bugosangereria ogosira gwe kanisa ase ekandi ya Nyanza bakwa ase county ya Nyamira ritukoria rero nigo abara bagendere kwegerera serikali ya Kenya ikorawa no muraibu ense Muske William Samuel Ruto bakorawa amano mwasiri bwechisemi Muske Julius Migoso Gamba niga tababona teli agendo kere kiororo korosia serikali na nigo anyarakaga kumochia bali bagende kwamereria serikali kona mono kumwachia omuraibu ense Muske William Ruto igabuli kubwatirana na gosira serikali eli abakenya bagende kwenyorera amagendero muragutumenye muri kito fatikari December.
Omugusi nigo abeire gagosemigwa buna tabaisa kungainwa erio arwe ase serikali asekeria buna nero ebwate amagenderero onzi akira engencho kukwana yaiga no muwasiri wechisemi Julius Migosi Ogamba oyo otebire buna ekerogo kyoburai bwense tari gentokere giachiche ekyo gekoganigwa na konyorekana rimorioka
mungaino ngabona mambi ngoya natola tozo State House. It is very difficult. Mbawoliga abanda murega muwazigora Kenya Raila Odinga nyako we president. Raila Odinga nyako we president. Mondo kyo manyaka netega Kenya kwa Raila Odinga. My friends and leaders here who are cheating our people, I want you to listen carefully. You must not take our people to the wrong direction. We will not accept it, and we will fight to the last man to ensure that our people remain in government. Kile nomogobori ga meserikali ya kolegi bwana muyongena bantu ga gesona nako erato nishikora hizo ga
kukwana asogosangereria ebisabwa byokwagacha eparishi ya Nyanza bakwa nigoboigo amagenderero yechipara aba kagokwanirwa amaono mobunge o West Mugirango Muske Stephen Mogaka naboigo omowakirishi bwabangina ime ye county eyo omuske cherusha momanyi abo batebire negati yobuyaburia bagenderete konyora kurwa serikali eregeti
tulishikana mkono auliza rais atakubalia tuweke lami katika barabara ya kutoka Bondeni kwenda Magombo. Leo hii nataka tushikane mikono, ile barabara yetu inatoka Nyamaya kwenda Obwali pia tuwekewe lami. Ile barabara inatoka Miruka kwenda Masosa kwenda Getari pia tuwekewe pesa ya kuweka lami. Na mimi
namba ya kabere niwenta kutoka tayara ninakorena na mchumba kwana tuwa ni president ndoka nataka make sure na import project kilitwa kwani na tizi para toka alina mogari Nairobi elinde koterase mogwaziri ito musorista general nara barinya saete mere mogari goro
we've opened the roads to Aliginjira to Konyora 175 billion shillings. Choko open Chipara chose speech restore. Ikine gente que va a ser serikali. Kono tistori mutete wenye wakaiga kando ga roche na nini.
Abaraya baiga baikirana nigo bairari bagari abo na kumwigirira omwensi kobi Bishop Joseph Mairura okemwa wekeresia gya Katoliki buna nere buya ere korokiwa amaskani na boigo ebirengererio byaye binyare koba bigosikwa.
The Wakambia Mono Father and the Catholic Church in general, you have been at the forefront of bringing up decent citizens. Through the students, we are seeing you bringing up in a very well-cultured manner.
Tinsa mwaneti mwingo kutagete kosa idea. Aselo omondo koira bishop eite kiara. Eyoni nga koreki. Tadi nduarama. Nga jimuatire ilo wanandu banyansa wako. Ekaro monda kune bishop ni nga kuna. Tadi ndua kuna.
Aiga siasa cia tutam nigo chabachiko ira ribaga riaye.
Arambe! Mtoto ya meti ni mara mbili. Huyu jamaa kama wakati alikuwa naibu wa rais na serikali ilikuwa na machineries yote, hawakumweza. Mbona leo muwe na tumaini kwamba mtamshinda? Huyu jamaa game yake iko advanced na inaenda mbele. Sisi pia tunaingia kwa hiyo wagon na tunaunga serikali mkono.
Hiko ripota Gatembe koroiga Nyansaba kwa Nyamaiya West Mugirange gutoke kaunti ya Nyamira. Njefatigad gise
na mwanjo muligereri gati ya basae abanyikante muna usi young professionals ritukolia lero niko besokia na guruba semigo chesa basae bamwe abo gotiga gutumeka bobe nene mono ase amangana ge siasa koreta chiburaburu bakuragwa amo na omo bwatani obo serieta Douglas Orenyo Ogari niko boigo banyarkoba abagotogia omo wasiri bwechemi uske Julius Migoso gamba ase emeremo abeire gagokora emiyago sega gwikirania na gutume muri kito Daniel Ontere.
Ase gikaro ekyo kyabaletamo abasa baiga egikundi kamanyikaine bonagusi young professionals nigo bakwanire kirenga kyabo kyogochamo batabugati tabauti chinde chonsi no nyine chage siasa baline kirenge kemogyoka gwekonya bunabasae.
What we have agreed is that as young people we want to push an agenda that the young people should not be misused for political interests. We want the young people to be used well and to be empowered, and some of them to be employed. So as Igusi young professionals, we want to discourage that, because ourselves, we are not a political organization. We are purely professional.
Ukwana nabalikia mangano mugasolero asensemo ya Kiumbu nyeri bari chachi imeye kaunti ya Kisii egobigo bagikiria ebikole byabasae gutumeka bobe nonyena sokoleta achiburaburu asemesangirikano nili bagelyo kwerwanirira konyora nonyena mabaga yechigasi.
Youths who have employment opportunity and want some promotion, youths who are unemployed and want survival, they are part of us. Because you find a lot of youths are dying of hunger. We need to assist our youths. As young professionals, we have come in now to ensure that all young people at all levels, without any negative subjection, are addressed and they are helped to achieve their ambitions.
Asinse mwende nigubalira wocha koyene kibuna bakolire miremo na barayi barabisi asichinga kichi no kuwaterna egati ya barayi bagusi
otogo sabuna ebyongozi biribyeto bitotangaine binyara gutobwa tokoboko bitoikange togwakine serikali ya robono inde tonyare konye nyare gotokonya na antonyare konye bwate sinintwe asokorenka asamagendero.
We back you up. As young leaders, you have to support the government of the day. When you support the government of the day, kimaendeleo, maybe tutagete skills, get to support the government. You can't get anything if you can't support the government of the day.
Nkuruboterigeta seni kyagetembe litraining group Daniel Ontiri.
Na kiama kia Democratic Party nigo Kenya kwa mchora Choni Oeri weche kurukia bandera ikiama kyo asaba chole boke wodi ya Nyansiongo ime bunge gosa ime county ya Nyamira ukwana magayo konyora tiketi iga nigo eri atabirobuna wodi eyo ya Nyansiongo nigo yabire gekwira na magega ase amagendero na niga idia eiram na aise kaba ocholdwe niga rach konyara kaba gakubwatirana na barai ao erikwana kebuna amagendero kwirinare ase wodi eyo ya Nyansiongo mnago tumimulike tofauti kari Disemba.
Chingaki ritikurie chikura asobochori oboke ase wodi ya Nyansiongo imeye bunge ya Burabu county ya Nyamira ogendrete kobera ange nigo ekiama kia DP ose Democratic Party bamochorire John Obai Oeri eryo gochia korwanerera ekerogo ekyo
rero iga gotwachira ase okwa fail our candidate as Nyansiongo ward candidate yetu akoba John Obai Oeri
kala pimete kuna executive the county na watu waro jeno mwana umuya na bakwe era mwegenwa naende na waji kolete bintu kurua account ale Nyansiongo agu
candidate twalete mwana makimo kurukweli mwana ru skuru mwana ru bright ora kwana sabantu official rita
Obwatekana no kwegwa kwaye eticket yekiama eke nigo John Oeri arire eirabuna aize kwegwa ribaga buna omo MCM nigo arachi kubwatirana na serikali ye county eryo kwene kia chipara chichiro na boigo okubagwa wechipasari boigo ngwikirana bire ase wodi eyo ya Nyansiongo punenjere ye moyo koreta oburabu
asobo kebwane gocha sore niche ko babwatesi mongekero geke torete progress mwise koligera libya Nyansiongo nto chandegete nto bwate muchando monge sana ababura kamba chandegete oyo gakonyo bwate kerogo onyorire tari konyara gokonya abana inchi bonse pi bali baganeri yatokange baganeri gokonyo bali babeterereti lakini gobere gakobombi chipare chetu chons pia chisaligete kera sasa togo taranto konyara kora biashara echiro ntoroseri Nyansiongo market lakini koria chagetu yairire miaka nge saba teraera bono tokoboria omo contractor gas kiago koronye ta konyara gokore gas ya abantu baito bachaka kokore bachaka konere ibintu byabo gwetere chire igaita Nyansiongo
Kukwana boigo asomogobani oyomo imeye wodi yeiga ya Nyansiongo nigo boigo bamuganirie oyo kabeiro mowaziri omukoro gwoborendi bwaime Dr. Fred Matiang'i yatanane na siasa chobochori oboke puna nigo erieta ryaye rirasareke
na kumusaba keep off abe na partisan aba muraba batinene Nyansiongo tuganyirete sana egere beri chikura oyo abantu bagochora bananchi nera barachora omurayo igo nare kugusaba ndugu yangu umuntu sikete naende aino musani bwa abantu baito naende turigeti koba the 60 president okay bof
obo nabo bosemia anene gocha saba sae bosebo bochori oboiga
gangu represent chigenzi genzi viva twanyorira baraye kurumaga mwarore gasiba korirete iyo mwarore twarachora baraye kurumaga mbali gotowa magendero muna tutaite bono nchende iga gotebi chi use chirichire gari Nyansiongo ward tutwale chikura ndogochigochoro omuraito John Oeri Obai one romuraito bwate Nyansiongo gaiga nane ngo bate kabisa nditukere twetokeza so bonge tuwake chikura
Hinko reporter Gatembe koroiga Nyansiongo eyegotoka imeye bunge ya Burabu county ya Nyamira Njefa Tigad Disemba.
Asiri omukoro bw'obulendi bwaime Dr. Fred Matiang'i litukulia lero niganyara kabaka kubolia basaye gwesokia na kwerikia asa obonge gosina kugenda kwerikia ase obonge eligo chigwaka chikura chine nacho muti cyo mwaka o 2027 gosebwe chiri 2025 nebere kakwana imehye kanta yamo chinsemo chia Kajiado sasa ngali tukulia lero nigata yabuna chikura nachio ogosemelia kwa bakenya sebono.
We have been talking about occupying parliament, occupy this. I want to tell Kenya's young people, occupy leadership. Tuende tuingie kwa viti hizo, tuwe MCAs, wawe senators, wawe women reps, so that tuache kupangiwa na wengine. So the young people who are in this room, Angel Mbuthia and your youth groups from all parties, sasa tuache kuzungumza na mdomo, tuzungumze na kura zetu. Please make efforts, go from point to point. And Bishop, please, katika kanisa lako, you and your colleagues, your fellow bishops, let us now move to the next phase. The next phase is, let's stop now talking about what has happened. We have seen what has happened. We have internalized the challenges. We have the solutions on how we will sort this thing out. But we will not provide that solution without votes. Yale mambo mazuri ambayo yamefanyika Malawi, yamefanywa na kura. Now, let us have a repeat performance. Tuchukue kura, tujiandae, tuzungumze kidogo, tufanye kazi ile iko. Mheshimiwa Kibaki alikuwa anasema tufanye kazi ile iko. Na kazi ile iko ni hii. Chukueni kura. Tunataka sasa hii safari ikamilike vizuri kubadilisha mambo ya nchi yetu.
Na magagayo gukora ebikaro ebimanyikanite buna ni chukua la usalama mwasiri bw'uburendi bw'imi musike Kipchumba murukomeni nigori mugasolero aireli bagana gukwanira ali anyaraka bakwana kiachinga Kenya kabago taldaji county chunsi 42 imyensi ya Kenya gotagarara aba Kenya na mono igoro ya mangana y'uburendi musike murukomeni niganya kabago kwanira amangana buna chisegi chegenga abinyugwa gose amaryogo yogo tindia ogosaruko mwana munyaruka nebintu binde binge biri anyaraka bagakwana kerigwa n'abana inchi buna bagoye bietera na bitageire gose bwanire kurigererigwa amone serikali.
There are various threats that we face as a nation, and I speak now as a cabinet secretary with the responsibility of looking at our internal security. I have gone through the country now through Jukwaa la Usalama, visited many of and we went with you to a good number of counties. And the conversations, some are similar, some are unique to some counties and so forth. There are certain threats that are affecting our country. Number one, presiding bishop, is we have to really address this issue of drugs and alcohol abuse. It's a big threat to our nation. We have to reach out. We have to have rehabilitation centers. We have to deal with this issue. And it cannot be done by government alone. This is where the church can partner with us to deal with the issues of drugs and alcohol abuse. Number two is the question of sexual and gender-based violence. In some counties, they report 18 to 30 children defiled per month. I was in Western and Nyanza region, extremely prevalent in places like Bungoma, Kakamega, Busia, Siaya, Migori, Homa Bay, all those places, we are recording between 18 and 30 children every month being defiled. And it is because of the repugnant behaviors in society and people trying to cover up. And the people who do so are people in responsibility, purported to be pastors, to be chiefs, police officers, and teachers who take advantage of young people. The church must rise up, and I dare say we need a champion in this country, outside government, to raise the nation to think through the questions of sexual and gender-based violence, which is prevalent in our society, including spouses fighting, killing themselves, mothers killing their children because of mental health issues, and so forth. And this is an area we must be able to work together. The other threat to our nation is gangs and hooligans.
Na mwanju moligerali molikio batambo somolikio manebo usara yobo chenu moswat meri mdoni igakwanire emiremo ase abasae nabo igonyara kabaga kwanira umurobelio obu kwelikio sha asanya kabaga kobolia abagosega kwaneke buna abantu abange imtiba manyeti engenjo yo kwelikia asha nabo igo engenjo sha egokora emiremo asanya kabaga kobolia anamono balibelikire somurobelio sha karabanyalira mangana amakongwa anamono buroire banyakabago chakira nyagitali chinke go chigoro egara nabo lichiko ligoteba igo nobukoreri bw'umurobelio sha.
I have noted with a lot of concern that very many people still do not understand why they need to register
to the Social Health Authority. And we have sat here, we've talked about referral system. Do not wake up in the morning and walk into a referral hospital, because that is where the problem may start. Please visit your nearest dispensary, nearest health facility, or nearest level 4 facility to just ensure that you get referred to the next level of secondary treatment. It is important to get the referral. When we train our healthcare workforce, we train them, some of them we train them for specialist care. We may not take a specialized doctor in the lowest level of the facilities where tunangoja watu wa homa, mwenye ako na homa, mwenye amejikata tu kidole kidogo na upanga. That is for first aid care. And that is why we need you to visit that level of facility. Then you are referred if there's any complication to the next level for specialized care. And we are very keen about this. Healthcare must be accessible, must be available, must be affordable, and must be of quality to every Kenyan. And this is not an ask. It is a mandatory requirement according to the Constitution of Kenya. So what His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, in collaboration with the Ministry of Health, is doing is just to implement the Constitution of Kenya and ensure that every Kenyan accesses quality health care for all. We are committed. Please ensure you register yourself, your relatives, and
mwenche murigereri gwikira bona tokora nsamiga yekionga chinsa ibere makoroba ya rero kurende ase gekekekere mutwe nigo tugorikwira nase egeikaro kia gatembeli tukeriga naga watokorigeria mangale gante kwane kiwa chinsemo ime na isiko iya gusia na mona sinsameri ya siasa na boigo na ariande onzi litoranya kwa tokokwanira nigo tokuchibwatana na Eric Abuga na boigo Sam Yenda asokorigeria ayonsi umwanju murigereri higo tosko challenge ngoro kwaro ni toto nyagiri anseme menyelio niga korko Wilson Makori na boigo anseme atomjo niga korko Mike Willis.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigiria amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokia riso yao chingagi ogoswasa yiga kurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo chotebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerunge tato asama mabati aliaje chigeche merongibire na isaro na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate igani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya sigika ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstore Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchuligo busongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone